You were born an original, don't die a copy. Once you see results, it becomes an addiction. If opportunity doesn't knock, build a door. I am full of love, but low on trust. I like criticism, it makes me strong. Be quiet, but notice everything. Connection between two hearts is built on the pillars of trust. Silence and smile, those are two powerful tools. It's hard to answer the question, what's wrong, when nothing's right in your life. No matter how angry or sad I am, I automatically smile when I see your text. I wait all day just hoping for one more minute with you. Don't get too attached because everyone always leave in the end. I am lucky that I have you in my life because you understand me even when I don't say a word. I promise you, no one will ever take your place in my heart. Dear music, thanks for always clearing my head, healing my heart, and lifting my spirit. Love is not what you say, love is what you do. Even if I don't have any topic, I still wanna talk to you. Stupid is knowing the truth, seeing the truth, but still believing the lies. A person always disturb you is the person who always love you. Don't compare your chapter 1 to someone else, chapter 20. Honest feelings and bad timing make the most painful combination. Love all, trust few, not everything is real, not everyone is true. A person always disturb you is the person who always love you. Sometimes God doesn't change your situation because He is trying to change your heart. I love talking to you, but I will never beg for you to talk to me. My life isn't perfect, but I am thankful for everything I have. Every pain gives a lesson, and every lesson changes a person. I love sleeping because dreams are better than reality. Lucky more those who find a true loyal friend in this fake world. Replacing me is easy, but finding a vibe like mine is impossible, I promise. You are my everything in my little world. I never want to stop making memories with you. Life is much better when you are living in the present moment. Our relationship is different from others. I know we can't meet monthly or weekly, but I can feel you every day and every night with me. It is better to stay alone rather being around with people who won't value and respect you. I never force anyone to choose me. If they think they can find better than me, I let them go. Oh God, I need someone who never leaves me, even when I say leave me alone.